Ka jingbam sha kynthup khat khandai tli ki shnong ka Mawkynrew Block ha ka scheme Saubhagya jong ka sarkar India kataban penyo boarding electric haman la ki shnong nong kandong kalapan long yung nong thawain ka People Democratic Front PDF na Mawkynrew constituency Bah Bantei dor lingdo banbu jingkylli ya ka daw ka jingbam kynthup ya ki ti ki shnong haba jubab ya ka jingkylli ha ka kanta kli jingkylli ha ka siba saw ka dor bar mangtungka ka yeng dor bar thawain ka jala ka arpulai trik luber arja arpulai u menteri badikmi ya ka trat kam boarding electric u 80 mondal ulong ba don san pulai tli ki shnong ki bakanthop ha ka te ka scheme markum taw Bah Bantei dor ulong balei na ki nyopu ar tli ki shnong la kanthop tang san pulai tli ki shnong bat haba jubab ya ka ne menteri ulong ba ka dei na ka daw ka jingduna pisa hanrei ulakular pat ban penrung ya ki ni ki shnong ha ka ni ka scheme ha ki por ban wan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 32. Sir, the total number of villages covered and benefited under Saubhagya scheme under Mawkynrew Block till February 2023 is 53. The names of the covered villages is as per the statement placed on the table of the House, sir.
So your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. My supplementary, may I know from the Minister in charge, why out of 72 villages, only 53 is covered under the Saubhagya scheme?
Sir, this is because the inavailability of funds, sir. Actually, for the benefit of the House, the original DPR was made for 1,914.3 crores. Then RSC has cut it down to 1,189.58 crores. And then it is, these differences is because we were thinking of going for aerial bunched cable so that to avoid theft and leakages. But they told that no, you can go with aluminum covered steel reinforced cables. Then DTR cubicles were to be replaced by cutouts. And 667 villages were covered under Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Jyoti Yojana phase 1 and 2 were to be removed from this DPR. And ultimately, out of that also only 657.05 crores have been sanctioned. So due to that, all villages could not be covered, sir.
So, sir, in that case, may I know from the Minister in charge, who was the agency or the contractor who is executing the work in my constituency, in Mawkynrew Block?
Sir, that record is not available with me, but I will let the honorable member know. I'll place on the table of the House, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Minister in charge about the left out villages, it will be considered or not in the future?
Sir, there will be every endeavor to consider all those villages, sir.
One more supplementary.
Yes. May I know from the Minister in charge, how much the central government have sanctioned the Saubhagya scheme in the whole state of Meghalaya?
Sir, I told that it is 657.05 crores.
My last supplementary. May I know from the Minister in charge, how much the Gulf spent till now for Saubhagya scheme in the whole state of Meghalaya? Which I want the exact figure.
Yeah, that is the figure we have already executed, sir.
Please.
Sir, when we talk about Saubhagya scheme, there are a lot of allegations in relation to the implementation of this scheme. Through you, sir, I would like to ask, is there any irregularities and misappropriation of funds when it is in relation to the Saubhagya scheme implementation? Is there any irregularities and misappropriation of funds?
Sir, after these allegations were made, the government has instituted an individual inquiry committee. The committee has submitted its report, and the report has been sent to MESL for its comment. The MESL has commented, then we have now sent it to Finance Department for its further comments. After that only we can say that if there is any irregularities or not, sir.
Yes, Barinik.
Sir, may I know the mind of the government? What is the mind of the government to electrify the villages that has not been covered under Saubhagya? We understand the mission of Saubhagya means to give electricity to each and every household. And we have to accept the fact that there are many villages which has not been covered, including the remote villages in my constituency, sir. There are some villages which has not been covered under Saubhagya due to so many reasons. So may I know the mind of the government how to make good or how to ensure that each and every household to get electricity?
Sir, original idea of Saubhagya was to give connectivity to the last villages. But somehow it could not be covered because of the reasons I have cited already, sir. But however, the government will take all initiative to provide electricity to every village, sir.